Hi, and welcome to day 16 of our Vlogmas adventure. And today we are going to do the twin star. So it's a simple block that's made of 2 quarter square triangles and a half square triangle and surrounded by 5 solid background pieces. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let me show you what everything is cut down to and how we're going to put it together. So for the twin star block, we need 5 squares that measure 4.5 inches. We need 2 5 3/8 inch blocks cut in half, squares. We also need 1 5 3/4 square cut in fourths, so diagonally on both sides. And then we also need more background fabric that also measures just like this previous fabric, 5 3/4 cut in fourths. So to set up this block, let's go ahead and do that. This is going to be our center block. And then these white squares surround it. That. We're going to take our larger block, our larger triangle. We're going to go around this. Then we're going to take our smaller triangle and put this way. Then our background. So we have one unit that we need to make. Oops, I even put this one in wrong. Here we go. So the only unit we need to make is this one right here, where we'll take these 2 smaller triangles, we'll line them up on the short edge, so 1/4 inch, press it to the dark, and then add this larger triangle on here. And then we're going to trim this down to 4.5 inches. And after we trim all 4 of them down to 4.5 inches, then we'll put it together like a big 9 pouch. All right, so now I have sewed my blocks together, my units together. I've trimmed everything down to 4.5 inches. I am now going to sew these 3 seams together. I'm going to press towards the background. I know it's going to create a shadow behind it, but the fabric will want to go that way. Then I'll add this row, press again, and then do my horizontal. So we're back to our 9 pouch. And here we go, the twin star block. It's pretty amazing. If I was to do it over again, I'd probably put a little bit more contrast in with the star points itself, but it still looks great. I'm happy with it, absolutely. So yeah, another 12-inch block in the books, day 16. So my blessings. The blessings I have today are my nieces and nephews and how wonderful they are. They are amazing, wonderful little people, and I'm definitely blessed to have them in my life. They're caring, they're loving. I just get so much joy when I'm able to hang out with them, which is not very often and at all. And I really wish that I had more time. Raising my own family has taken so much away from that piece, but they are amazing, absolutely. And I just hope and pray that they become wonderful humans someday and continue their love to their spouse and children eventually someday too. But yeah, they're amazing, absolutely. They just bring joy to my heart every time I think of them. So anyway, day 16 is in the books. Day 17 is right around the corner. So look for it at noon on the next day. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.